Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to recover deleted content on your Dropbox account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account with Dropbox, and some content that will be uploaded or has been uploaded to the account on Dropbox. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Dropbox. Search for this. Enter. And now click on Dropbox.com. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Account, My Dropbox. As you can see on screen, we don't have any content that we can have deleted or then recover from the deleted files. Let's now minimize Safari for the moment. Go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, locate a document, copy the PDF file, right click to the desktop, paste the item, go to my YouTube channel, take an image, YouTube icon, copy, right click, paste to the desktop. We can now quit Finder, go all the way down to the dock, go back to Safari. Let's now create a folder, call that folder CSV, create, and now let's go within that folder, drag and drop a file, go to File, take the document and icon, upload. Both will now be uploaded or have been uploaded to the CSV folder within your Dropbox. So now let's go to Folders, click in CSV, and there we have it, the document and YouTube icon on screen. Let's go back one. If I were to, let's just say now, click on the folder and then delete that folder that contains two items in there, we get the pop-up message on screen, delete folder. Are you sure you want to delete CSV from your Dropbox? Yes, we are. Click on delete. Deleting one item that contains two items. Now, let's just say we want to recover the deleted files. Go to Home, Deleted Files, and then we have that CSV folder. Click on this. We want to restore, right? The document and the image. We want to restore all files. Click on this. That should now have restored the deleted content within deleted files and put back as to where it was deleted from. Let's go to all files, go to folders, and then we have CSV on screen with the document and icon both restored to their natural place as to where they were first created and uploaded to. Let's now quit Safari. Let's now go all the way around to the dock. Go to the web browser Safari again. Go back to Dropbox. Click on this. Go to Dropbox.com. Make sure that you are signed into the account. Again, go to Account, My Dropbox. And there we have it. Go to Folders, CSV, Document, Icon. Within that folder, within Dropbox, all restored back to normal after they were deleted. We can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.